but gonna come back for those tomorrow. I gotta, my shifting or my linkage here broke, so I'm full throttle only. I got no throttle speed right now at all. So because we got this load in here right now, we're not going that quick, but we are full throttle with no power or no control at all. So got to get back to the dock, make sure we get back safely, and get rid of this stuff here, and then fix the issue with the motor, come back out here and pick up some more stuff.